Hi, hello. This time we are in New Jersey, very close to the place of Mike, and this is the place. This is much different from Texas. In Texas, it's all plain and lesser green, but here we are surrounded by greenery. And behind me is a home sense or home essentials. And this is
What time is
what
it?
time is it? It's about 8 o'clock Philippine time, and this is still bright here. So not so hot, a little bit cool. So just nice for walking. Yeah. There's Mike and Krister.
Krister!
Here is Mama Beth. Okay, see you again from Lakwatsero Seniors. Bye.